So welcome to the IAOB SMMT IATF 16949 YouTube channel, and we're delighted to be here still in Portugal. And we have some big thank yous for today's visit. Firstly, OPCO, Raquel, I wonder if you'd like to say a few words.
As a company of consulting and training, we are very grateful to contribute to this collaboration. So thank you so much for coming, and also a big thank you to you for having us.
Right, and the company that we've been at today doing some filming is Simoldes Plastics. I wonder if you'd like to give a little bit of background about your organization.
Today we are here and the visit was for Simoldes Plastics. The company started in '81, but before the origin of the company was the tool divisions where everything started. Today in the Simoldes Plastics we have 10 plants around the world, and the whole time we are in connection with the tool division because it's our main supplier. We have also this technical center is in Portugal at Cortes development, and we have some custom service centers also where there are sales, project, engineering in France, Germany and Spain, and also we have some advanced warehouse to supply the clients. And this is basically what is Simoldes Plastics and the environment of the place.
Great, and I know you're IATF 16949 certified. There's about 235 certified sites within Portugal, but we've been very well looked after today. We've got some excellent videos in this series. Some of the videos have been in production. Some of the videos have been in the support area. But on behalf of IAOB and SMMT, a real big thank you to you, but also all the people that have participated in the videos today. We've had some excellent auditees that have helped us during the day. So if you can pass on our thank you. And viewers, I hope you will find this series really interesting to help improve your skills related to IATF 16949.